The windscreen and rear window of the 124 model series are bonded to the body with a single component polyurethane material. As a result, they have a load-bearing function while increasing the stiffness of the body. We wish to show on this vehicle how a bonded windscreen is removed and installed. The vehicle is already prepared. The upper trim strip is removed. The water deflectors have been pulled out of the mounting clips and fixed with elastic bands to the outer mirrors. The rear corners of the front wings are protected from being damaged with adhesive tape. On the inside, the window keys have been removed at the side and top of the windscreen. The windscreen is exposed after the wiper system has been removed. The engine hood is then removed from the two hinge levers and placed on the covered front wings. Now to the tools. With this special oscillating electric cutter, the bonded glass pane can be cut out simply and safely. It features a controllable cutting frequency and a hexagon holder for the cutting blade. 3 cutting blades, which differ in form and length, are required for cutting out the windscreen. They're used in different cutting areas. The cutting blade with the limit stop is used at the side and top. This cutting blade is used at the bottom. And the cranked blade at the 2 bottom corners. The pane of glass is lifted from the body with these suction lifters. The glass pane is also refitted using these suckers. The bonding agent can be applied either with this hand gun, or, if compressed air is available, with this air gun. The easiest method of application, however, is with the battery-operated electric gun. Adhesive tape, benzene, and a fluff-free rag are things which are also necessary. Don't forget safety goggles. Removing the windscreen. Firstly, mark the position of the clips. When later cutting through the bonding agent strip, the blade will be pulled back slightly at these points. The support brackets are removed. And so are the mounting clips for the lower covers. This is then followed by removing the side clips on the front posts. The special electric cutter is now prepared. The cutting blade for the first cutting area, the blade with the limit stop, is inserted and sharpened. The cutting blade requires sharpening every time it's changed. The blade length is set with the limit stop. It also acts as an orientation aid. When cutting out the windscreen, begin from the inside of the vehicle at the front right post. The tool must be moved along slowly. In one single operation, up to the other side of the adjoining area of the instrument panel. In the bottom cutting area, the windscreen is cut with the longer, straight blade, starting from the center and working outwards. This must be done on both sides. The double-cranked cutting blade makes it possible to cut in the two bottom corner areas of the windscreen. If cutting in this area is not possible due to the lack of space, the old familiar method with the cutting wire can be used. The windscreen is now released all round and can be lifted out. The old bonding agent on the body flange is now cut evenly. A maximum of 2 millimeters of bonding agent material may be left. The body flange is now prepared for installing the windscreen. The bottom support brackets are pressed into position. The lower clips for the covers and the side clips for the water deflectors are riveted in. If necessary, the rubber buffers should also be renewed. Any damage to the paintwork should also be repaired. Now fit the spacer bracket and spacer pieces supplied with the repair kit. A word about the repair kit. It contains bonding agent, cleaner, primer, spacer pieces, spacer brackets, rubber buffers and a cutting wire. Note the shelf life expiry date. Before preparing the new windscreen for installation, it should be placed in the body to determine its position. Its position is marked with adhesive strips to facilitate exact installation later. The windscreen is treated with the cleaner in the bonding area. The primer is then applied, acting as a coupling agent. If the old windscreen is to be reused, the rest of the bonding agent must be leveled off. Primer must be applied to all bare points on the glass. The bonding agent is now applied to the body flange on the remainder of the old bonding agent. The height of the bead should be uniform at approximately 10 millimeters. By the way, wind down both windows so that the build-up of air when the doors are closed doesn't press the windscreen outwards. The windscreen is now fitted in position, placed on the top spacer pieces, aligned to the adhesive strips, and carefully pressed on. The bottom support brackets are then shifted against the windscreen. The spacer pieces are removed. The minimum drying time of the bonding material is 4 hours, during which the vehicle mustn't be moved. All attached parts can be refitted during this period. The vehicle is now ready for use with the new windscreen fitted perfectly.